Swap your baking for some shaking this Christmas with the Tipplesworth Mince Pie Martini. A surefire hit for your next festive gathering. Start by chilling your martini glass with ice. Then add 50 milliliters of Skipper Rum. Then 50 milliliters of pressed apple juice. And finally, 12.5 milliliters of Tipplesworth mince pie syrup. Add the ice. And shake well. She's a nifty little mover, isn't she? Then simply strain this delicious mixture into your chilled martini glass. For those who don't mind being on Santa's naughty list this year, make your mince pie martini extra dreamy with a double cream float. Using the back of a spoon, slowly pour double cream so it creates a gorgeous layer on top of your drink. Ooh, you saucy little elf! And for added seasonal loveliness, sprinkle with a touch of cinnamon. And voila! You've made a mince pie martini! Happy holidays and chin chin! Tipplesworth. Cases full of cocktail fun.